Assalamualaikum everyone. I hope you all are doing well. Today I'm going to make line art portrait and I'll be doing abstract style using watercolors. So let's start. So as you can see, I have already drawn the sketch. It's inspired by an urban lady and I just gave the outline and now I'm going to show you the process of coloring. The basic reason to show you this process is that imperfections or the person who doesn't know how to do watercolor or how to make abstract art, line art, portrait, they can get some idea and they can be motivated to do so because I did a lot of mistakes in this and it is not very perfect, not so good, but still the end result is always good because sometimes the imperfections are the best and we should embrace our imperfections and basically that untidy look, the abstract look of this painting is its uniqueness and that's why it's a bit different and it looks different and it catches the eye. So you can see that I'm using colors and I'm erasing again and again and dabbing it with the paper towel because I myself didn't like that. So don't worry, keep on doing, keep on going, and the end result will be good. And don't hesitate to use colors, don't hesitate to um, apply the darker tones. Just focus on the contouring parts, use darker colors on the contouring part and then lighter shades inside, and it will eventually look good. This is what I am doing, highlighting the contouring parts, highlighting the main parts with the darker shades and then using lines and just filling the gaps with different colors. This painting was inspired by an artist, I don't remember the name, but she used to do the imperfect colors in her portraits, and I really wanted to use this technique to see how it goes and how it looks. This is the first time I'm using this technique, and I was a bit worried before using these colors because my style of painting is a bit different. I do neat and very uh, perfect colors. I use perfect colors, but I am kind of liking this, and it definitely it's a different thing for me, and I'm just practicing it right now, but I'll definitely make a bigger portrait on a canvas to display in my living area because it's something that is so unique and different and it looks good. So please do tell me in your comments and share your thoughts about this portrait, the imperfect portrait that had been now perfect. I'm using my fine liner to add some details, and I always use my white fine liner to highlight some of the parts. So just grab a fine liner, highlight, make lines. This makes this thing makes the portrait more dramatic, good. Take care of yourself. Do subscribe my channel if you are new to my channel, and give me your suggestions, your ideas. And it's all done. I hope you like my drawing. Thank you so much for watching. Please do tell me how do you like it. Subscribe for more amazing videos. Bye.